How's it going, guys? In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to add a admin to your Facebook page. So let's go to your main page, scroll down to the settings on the left-hand side. You get a page like this. Then on, again, the left-hand side, go page roles. Then you simply select admin, put the person's name or email address in there, and then hit add. And what they'll do, that will send a notification to the person. They'll have to accept it, stuff like that. See, if you want this person to manage your ads, you need to add them to your Facebook Business Manager as well. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's pretend this is your Facebook Business Manager. You go to settings on the left-hand side. Go to people. Go to add. Same deal. Enter their email address. What sort of access you want to give them? Admin access, employee access. Hit next. Invite them to your Facebook Business Manager. And then you're going to come down here. Once they've accepted your invitation, you're going to go to pages, select a page, and then you have to add that person in here. So their name will come up there, and then you select their name, and you go, manage page, stuff like that, assign. So that gives them full permissions to run ads on your page inside the Facebook Business Manager. So hopefully that helps you guys. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get around to them when I can. Thanks, guys.